for apple. APPLE. Apple means save. B for ball. 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 Ball means can. C for cat. CAT. Cat means Billy. D for dog. DOG. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. ELEPHANT. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. FISH. Fish means machli. G for goat. GOAT. Goat means bakri. H for horse. HORSE. Horse means ghoda. I for ice cream. ICECREAM. Ice cream means barf. J for joker. JOKER. Joker means joker. K for kite. KITE. Kite means patang. L for lion. LION. Lion means शेर, जंगल का राजा. M for monkey. MONKEY. Monkey means बंदर. N for nest. NEST. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. ORANGE. Orange means संतरा. P for peacock. PEACOCK. Peacock means more. Q for quill. QUILL. Quill means punk. R for rabbit. RABBIT. Rabbit means खरगोश. S for sunflower. SUNFLOWER. Sunflower means सूरजमुखी. T for tiger. TIGER. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. UMBRELLA. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. VAN. Van means गाड़ी. W for watermelon. WATERMELON. Watermelon means तरबूज. X for X-ray. XRAY. X-ray means X-ray. Y for yak.